Before wireless offices, before remote work, before digital nomads carried entire careers in a backpack, there was the laptop bag. Protective, organized, essential. It was never created simply to carry a computer. It was designed to protect the tools of the information age. For centuries, people carried books, documents, maps, and instruments in satchels and briefcases. But the late 20th century introduced something entirely new. Portable computers. They were expensive, delicate, and increasingly valuable. Unlike paper, a single impact could damage an entire workstation. A new kind of bag became necessary, one built around technology rather than paper. Early laptop bags borrowed heavily from traditional briefcases. Rigid structures protected heavy portable computers. Thick padding absorbed shocks. As laptops became thinner, lighter, and more powerful, the bags evolved alongside them. They became more compact, more comfortable, and dramatically more organized. The science behind the laptop bag begins with impact protection. High-density foam absorbs kinetic energy before it reaches sensitive electronics. Suspended laptop sleeves prevent direct contact with the bottom of the bag. Ballistic nylon resists abrasion while remaining lightweight. Water-resistant coatings protect valuable equipment from unexpected weather. Modern ergonomic shoulder straps distribute weight evenly across the body, reducing fatigue during long commutes. Construction demands exceptional attention to detail. Reinforced handles support repeated lifting. Heavy-duty zippers withstand thousands of opening cycles. Dedicated compartments separate electronics from accessories. Soft interior linings reduce scratches. Compression panels improve structural stability. Every stitch contributes to strength. Every pocket serves a purpose. Throughout the digital revolution, the laptop bag became an everyday companion. Students carried entire classrooms. Designers transported creative studios. Engineers traveled with powerful workstations. Photographers organized editing equipment. Entrepreneurs built businesses from cafes, airports, and shared workspaces. The modern office no longer occupied a single building. It traveled with the person. Psychologically, the laptop bag represents mobility. It allows work, learning, and creativity to exist almost anywhere. The simple act of closing the zipper often signals readiness for a new destination. A meeting, a lecture, a journey, or an opportunity yet to appear. Today's innovations continue redefining everyday carry. Recycled fabrics reduce environmental impact. RFID-blocking pockets improve digital security. Waterproof laminated textiles enhance weather resistance. Magnetic closures increase convenience. Integrated charging systems, hidden tracking devices, and smart organizational layouts continue expanding what a laptop bag can accomplish. Yet its original purpose remains unchanged. Protect valuable technology without slowing the person carrying it. Today, laptop bags appear in offices, universities, airports, coffee shops, co-working spaces, research laboratories, and city streets around the world. Their materials continue evolving, their engineering continues advancing, yet the greatest achievement remains beautifully simple. They allow ideas to travel safely. Every reinforced panel reflects decades of industrial innovation. Every carefully stitched compartment preserves thoughtful engineering. Every laptop bag reminds us that in the digital age, sometimes the most valuable thing we carry is not the computer itself. It is everything that computer allows us to create.